In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a recovery phone number from a Google account. Let's launch the Google app. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. In the top menu, go to the Security tab. In the Security tab, scroll down and look for Recovery Phone. Now, tap on Recovery Phone. Here, you have to give your biometric code or screen lock code to verify your identity. Here you can see that there is a phone number added as my recovery phone number. Removing a recovery phone number from your Google account may be necessary for several reasons. If you've changed your phone number or no longer have access to the old one, keeping it as a recovery option could pose a security risk, especially if someone else gains control of that number. Additionally, if you're concerned about privacy or minimizing the personal data linked to your account, removing unused or outdated contact details is a smart step. It's also important to update your recovery methods to ensure that in case you ever lose access to your account, the recovery process uses only current and secure information. To remove it, tap on the Delete icon. In the pop-up, click on Delete Number. Here you can see that my recovery phone number has been removed. Now you can add another recovery phone number or leave it as it is. Following these steps, you can remove the recovery phone number from your Google account.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.